Hey guys, welcome back. And so I bought a screen protector slash case for my Pixel Watch. Been very nervous that I might actually damage it. So I wanted something to kind of protect it. And this was on sale on Amazon for about $7.99. And it comes with two. So this is one that I'm going to apply onto my watch. And I have a backup in case I actually break this case for any reason. But always good to be safe than sorry. So the way I'm going to apply this onto my watch, very simple. It comes with, a wet nap and a dry cloth. I'm going to get those prepared so then that way I can just, clean off the display with the wet nap and then use the dry cloth to dry it off. But basically getting all of the fingerprint smudges off. Now, this is just a snap-on. So you just line it up with the watch body itself and then just apply a little pressure and it's going to snap and kind of wrap around it on the sides, locking it into place. And yeah, all you gotta do is just make sure that all the port outs are, like the port cutouts are matching up. So like the button on the top right and the crown on the right side and the microphone. Everything is like neatly cut out, fitted to it, so pretty nice. And the screen is responsive to touch with it has a built-in screen protector. So like I said, it's all one piece, not two pieces, not too much to fiddle with. Just snap on, it's protected. And I must say, I feel a lot better with having this case on it to protect it because I do not want it to get damaged at all. This is what it looks like on my wrist. So it doesn't make it too bulky or too much bigger. And if you're wanting to know how the charger fits onto it, let me just say that putting the charger on the back of the watch, it's not obstructed by the case itself. So it's a nice snap fit. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll talk to you on the next one. And as always, peace.